Surely you have seen this and you have worried, because this is known as pearly papules. These are benign lesions that are going to surround the head of the hair. They can be 1 to 2 millimeters in size and can have a pink, translucent, even whitish coloration. And so you don't worry, this is benign and has nothing to do with the human papillomavirus, therefore it is not transmissible. In other words, you weren't infected by anyone and you won't infect others either. They are considered a normal anatomical variant. But you're probably wondering, what are the causes of pearly penile papules? To this day, it is not known exactly what causes us to have pearly penile papules. But they are not linked to any disease nor any symptom of any disease. It is estimated that between 14 and 48% of men have pearly penile papules. It is believed that there is a genetic predisposition, and these pearly penile papules occur mostly in puberty, almost always before men have their first sexual encounter. However, many people may be bothered by the aesthetic appearance it gives. It can even cause a slight discomfort during sexual intercourse, as there is friction. Medical studies have shown that pearly penile papules are much more common in uncircumcised men. The papules persist throughout life, but their visibility tends to decrease. What does this mean? Does it mean they disappear over time? Pearly papules are sometimes confused with genital warts or condylomas. And as we discussed, pearly papules, even though they are not a sexually transmitted disease, are not caused by the papillomavirus.
Human, no.
It is not transmitted. Many men worry, as there are men who may have many more pearly papules than others. And this is more common to see in teenagers, as they are afraid of being rejected because sometimes they do not know how to differentiate and think that it is a sexually transmitted disease. Is there a treatment to eliminate pearly papules? Yes, only for aesthetic purposes, since as we mentioned, it is not a sexually transmitted disease and it is something completely normal. You can use the carbon dioxide laser, where an anesthetic cream will first be applied to the area. What this technique does is that there is less
bleeding, better
healing. A professional must do this. Many people ask if there is any medication or cream that can be applied to remove them. There is no oral medication that eliminates pearly penile papules. There are even many people who use acid to apply in the area of the pearly penile papules. And if you don't know how to apply it correctly, you can cause burns and even damage that area. That's why it's better to go to your trusted doctor, Dr. David reports.